Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The BullMach Centauro 52 backpack brush cutter represents an advanced solution for green maintenance, combining power and versatility in a single tool. Equipped with an air-cooled, two-stroke engine with a displacement of 52 cubic centimeters, it offers a nominal power of 1.45 kilowatts. This ensures high performance even in demanding operating conditions, guaranteeing effective management of complex terrains. The ergonomic backpack design has been developed to evenly distribute the weight, significantly increasing comfort during prolonged work sessions. The transmission is handled by a 150 centimeter long shaft, with a diameter of 26 millimeters, built to ensure robustness and precision. The BullMach Centauro 52 comes with a 3-tooth metal blade, ideal for cutting tall grass and brushwood. Additionally, it is equipped with a nylon line head, particularly suitable for edging and precision work. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.